What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. And so in this video, I want to show you how to ethically steal winning dropshipping products. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step, what I do, and what's been working for me. All right, so let's be honest, okay? How many of you, if you've done this before, hit that thumbs up button. You come over here to AliExpress and you just start looking around the site, okay? You're trying to see what products are selling the best, okay? How many of you do that? Because I bet a lot of you do that because that's what I used to do as well. Okay, so you can do this and it works out great, and you find you can go and filter it by how many reviews they got or how many recent orders and all that stuff, and it works, and it's a great way to do your business. But there's something that I've been doing differently, and what I've been doing, okay, this is just one site. This is the only site I'm really going to reference in this video, but it's called Pura Vida bracelets. You can see right here. That's a pretty popular little bracelet site. They sell bracelets. That's pretty much all they sell. You can see it right here. Okay, little bracelets, little jewelry. Okay, it's a great site. And my cousin or nephew, niece, anyway, whatever she is, she actually uses this site all the time. So she kind of showed me the site because she wanted a certain bracelet, and so came to it, and I started to think, wouldn't it be easier to just figure out what other sites are selling? And again, this is not no magic formula. People have been doing this for years, but I just kind of came across this by happenstance that, hey, it might actually work. So I started to do it. Came to this site and I started to find different bracelets that would actually sell. Okay, so I come to these sites and I kind of replicate what they're doing on their site. Now I have a specific type of bracelet that I saw on my Shopify store, so it's not like it's it's something that it's unique or it's patented. Okay, but again, you come here and look at this stuff. Okay, let's say like this one right here. How are they doing their listing? Okay, what are they doing? Okay, style on Instagram. You can see pictures. Okay, you got reviews. You see all this stuff. Bunch of reviews. Okay, very, very popular. Now, then what I do after I know, okay, these are the ones that everybody loves. Okay, they have, let's find one that has decent amount of review, like this one right here. Okay, $16.80. Let's add that to cart. Let's see. Okay, original price $24. Okay, let's see if we go and check out. Let's see if there's going to be shipping. So the reason why I do this, okay, no, we don't want to run honey. Let's get that off there. So there we go. So subtotal, okay, shipping, free shipping, or add $8 to unlock free shipping. So we don't have free shipping yet. Yeah, we could probably get it, but we don't have it yet. So one of the things I would do is, let's say I want, and that's cool that they add the 15% at the end. A track bead bracelet. Is this bracelet or necklace? I think it's bracelet. Let's type that in. Track bead bracelet. So the reason why we're doing this, because it looks like this one right here, right? Yeah, that one right there. Selling for $1.99 a piece, and they're selling it for $16.80 after even additional fees, another 15% free shipping, whatever. If they're selling it for $1.99, okay, or they're buying it for $1.99 with free shipping, and they're selling it for $16.80 or let's say $15, they're making $13 a sale. How many people or how much in advertising do you think you have to spend in order to get one sale? I don't think you need to spend $15 to advertise and get one sale on something like this, okay? Especially if you're targeting the right people. So that's just one of the things I've been doing to really pinpoint and figure out what items are selling the best. So all I really do is I just go around from different sites. Now, Pura Vida bracelets is just one site. You got Movement. You got there's so many sites. I'm not going to try to name them all, but there's so many Shopify stores out there, and they don't necessarily have to be a drop shipping site. They could be a bigger brand such as Movement. Okay, it doesn't have to be a very small product brand site. It could be very large. But what I like to do is I like to go and figure out what they're doing and replicate the exact same thing. I like to change my layouts so that it looks like one of the higher end sites. I like to adjust my pricing so it kind of follows the methods and the models that the big guys are doing. Because honestly, my Shopify stores, they're not that big compared to Movement or some of the bigger brands. So you got to keep that in mind. And the last thing I just want to explain to you guys is choosing your products is huge. Now, in the beginning, especially early on when you're first starting out, don't even have a sale yet, that first product that you choose to promote. Okay, don't go and promote your entire store. And I'm saying this based on my own experience. I haven't been doing this for years like a lot of people. But just take what I'm saying as, okay, I've been doing it for a little while and I've had some decent success. I'm not making millions off my store, okay? Now, if you want to go follow somebody else's advice, that is, great, go do it, okay? But I'm just giving you my advice, what I've learned. And what I've learned is don't go and promote your entire store. Don't go and promote, okay, this is all, bracelets, and just promote it to people that like bracelets. What I've been doing is I've been promoting, my exact, jewelry, little line, but I've been promoting it to a certain group of people that like, X, okay? And the reason why I do this is because, and what I do is I promote one bracelet or one ring, one necklace, okay, whatever it is, and I promote it to that set of people. And I'll create another ad with a different product, and I'll promote it to the same people. And I'll take another ad with another product, and I'll promote to the same people. So I have a necklace, a ring, and a bracelet all going to the same people, okay, targeting the same audience. But, here's the difference is I'll figure out, okay, which one's working? Is it the bracelet? Is it the necklace? Or is it the ring? Once I run, $50, $100 through that, and I get enough traffic and people to see it, then I'll kind of have an idea, okay, the ring just isn't selling, or it's not working, people don't like it, they're not clicking on it, so I'll get rid of that, and I'll take that money, the $50 or $100, split it up between the other two, and really test it and split test it, see, okay, which one's working for that particular audience. And I'll do this over and over again across different audiences, different platforms. I'll do it on Facebook. I'll do it on Instagram. Okay. I'll do it on, Google themselves. Okay. There's a lot of different methods to do it. But in the beginning, choosing that one winning product is a must. Okay. What I did in the very beginning when I first started, a year and a half ago, whenever it was, what I did, my biggest mistake is people always said, find the product that's selling the best, okay, on AliExpress. Take that one product, put it on your site. You want to promote and you want to push that product because people may buy that product, but they'll also buy those second, third, fourth products on your site as well. But you want to promote that one that everybody knows and loves. But I didn't do that. I thought, well, there's a lot of competition on that one product. And back then it was like I don't even remember what it was, like some ring, or then 2 years ago it was like the fidget spinner. And so those were always things I was promoting. But then I thought, those were always things that are on my site. But I thought, well, I don't want to promote that because everybody else is. People are going to get tired of it. No, they're not tired of it. They keep buying it. Okay, it's working. So find that one winning product, put that on your site, promote that one, and then put second, third, and fourth products on your site, and people will slowly start to buy those as well. So find that one winning product, because if you don't have that one winning product, what's going to happen is people are going to come to your site, they're going to see it, they're going to see your other products, and they're not going to buy any of them because they don't feel that connection. They don't like what you have to offer. But when you go to AliExpress, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Once you go to AliExpress and you find that one winning product, it works time and time again across all your different stores. You just have to figure out what that one winning product is. So if you don't know what's selling, it's pretty simple. Let's say I go into consumer electronics and smart remote controls. That's probably a bad one. Just click on orders. Okay, and you can see there's this thing right here, selling between $4.19 and $8.89 a piece. Orders 13,694. Okay, and you got a bunch, 6,000, 64, 5. Okay, let's go do a different one. Again, like I said, that was probably a bad one, but again, you get the idea. You can see how many orders there are. And it kind of just keeps going. Keeps going down. Okay, so you can see there's demand for this product. It's actually selling. So why not jump on it? Let's try sports and outdoors. Let's do camping and hiking. We'll do the exact same thing. Orders. See what kind of products are selling. Okay, this tactical backpack, 6,000. Tactical backpack, 5,000. This little lighter thing, okay, 4,000. These little glove lights, 39. A jacket, probably wouldn't do that now. Snap off blade, 36. Slingshot, 35. And you get the point. This monocular, 34. Hunting, shooting, camping, a rucksack, 31. You get the point. Okay, all you gotta do is choose the topic, choose your category. You can come into a secondary one, okay, and you can come in here, see the orders as well, and you can kind of niche it down as much as you want. So that's just what I do again, but this is just one way that you can ethically come in, steal winning product ideas. Now, we're not necessarily taking the product from somebody else, okay? We're doing it the right way. We're not hacking into somebody's Shopify store to figure out what's selling and what's not. We're not doing that. We're just coming in and looking at the data that everybody can see, okay, just by looking at the site itself and kind of piggybacking off of what actually works. So again, like I said, I'm not no Shopify expert. I've been doing very well in the time that I've been doing it, but again, I'm not no expert, okay? I'm just trying to give you real life examples of what I've been going through, what my Shopify store has been doing, and the success and the failures that I've been going through. So if you have any questions on it, let me know. I'll help you out the best I can. But like I said, I'm no expert. I do not have a course on it. I don't plan on doing a course on Shopify. But yeah, it's one of those things. If you want to go get a course, go find one. There's a lot of people that have them. But yeah, again, if you have any questions, if you've been starting a store, haven't got a sale, or you're struggling to get sales, let me know what your problem is down in the comment section below, and I'll help you out the best that I can. So if you want more videos on Shopify, hit that thumbs up button. It lets me know that, okay, you are interested in Shopify videos, so I'll continue to make them. So hopefully you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you very soon.